Hey everybody, welcome back for another car wash review. This is part 2 of our back-to-back weekend battle, touchless versus touch. Yesterday we did the Laser Wash 360, and if you haven't seen that, make sure you go back and look at that. It was yesterday's video. Because spoiler alert, it was an epic fail. The van was pretty dirty, and it did a horrible job because we didn't really get much for pre-soak or tri-foam. All the product in that was watered down. It was all up to the high pressure rinses, and it just wasn't enough. So it left the van pretty dirty. So we're going to do the touch that's a side-by-side here. So they got the Laser Wash 360 on one side, and then they have a touch one on the other side. I haven't seen it yet, but we're about to. And yeah, if you haven't seen yesterday's video, they have the vacuums there, and they have some do-it-yourself bays and that. This is the Trafalgar car wash on Trafalgar Street. I think it's 1771 Trafalgar Street here in London, Ontario. I'm just going to get out, just in case you haven't seen yesterday's, just as a reminder on how dirty this van still is. Very, very dirty. I don't know if the camera picks it up, but you can see like dirt runs down, and the back is still very dirty. Even the windows, everything. Very dirty still. So yeah, it was very disappointing. Well, it'll be interesting to see if it's the same price for the touch and the touchless. With taxes, it came to $15.82, I think, the touchless one yesterday. So, and that was the Laser Wash 360. So now we're going to check out the soft cloth touch. You know, and it's kind of funny. So there's the Laser Wash 360 there. Oh, it sounds like somebody's in here already. Oh, someone's just leaving. Oh, we've got a tandem surf line. Oh, and it looks like it's the same prices.
Welcome. To make a purchase, make a selection, then enter the amount shown.
And you know what? It's kind of funny. So I've been here for about, like, filming and that for, I don't know, probably close to a half hour for sure. And because I was on the phone with some people, but everybody's been going through this. I think maybe I saw one person go through the touchless, but everyone's been going through the touch. So maybe that tells you something. All right, so we are doing, oh, let me focus good here. We're doing the ultimate.
Ultimate wash.
Yep, same price, $15.82. Pay now. Pay now.
Choose your method of payment.
Debit
Follow
credit.
the instructions on the pin pad to complete this transaction, or press the red cancel button to escape. Thank you for your purchase. For a receipt, press print, or pull into the wash bay.
Print.
Please collect your receipt.
There we go. Okay, fingers crossed we can get this van clean. I've been dealing with this dirty van now for like 2 weeks. We got the wheel scrubbers. Hopefully I can get a out the window view of that. Here we go. It looks like everything's flashing over there, but it's just the green one at the top saying pre-soak. That's a little bit better. than the laser wash on the pre-soak, but not much better. At least we got brushes. Well, the amount of time these brushes stay on your vehicle, I would hope they're getting that dirt off. Wow, that's incredible how much time they spend on an area. Back and forth, back and forth. Wow. That's crazy. Oh, here comes the triphone. Okay, well that's better, that's for sure. Ooh, we get the wheel scrubbers. Let me get a view of that for you. Don't get me wet. Don't get me wet. Very cool. All right, get this window up. Hurry, 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 hurry. There we go. Ah, darn, this is surface protectant. Kind of had a lava look to it, but it wasn't much to it. These are pretty cool systems. Alright, drive forward. Here we go. I'll just get a view of this coming by again. That's pretty cool. Well, I squeezed every second out of that dryer. Alright. Let's have a look, shall we? What do you think? Did it get the van clean? Are we satisfied? What's going on? Like, I can wipe this off with my fingers. What is going on? Even here. I don't understand. Like, all the time it's spent back here. The passenger side looks the best, but even then, like, can the camera pick that up? Like, do you see where there's still streaks of dirt? Like, look. Like, there's still a lot of dirt on there. What's going on? Okay. Brother. I'm actually really surprised. Like I'll be honest, like I've been to, I don't know, I'm gonna guess 3 or 4 of these tandem surfline washes, and I really like them. But full disclosure, this is not the best one that I've ever been to. In fact, it's probably the worst one I've been to, and I'm not saying that because of the job it did. I'm saying that because the product, it still wasn't. I've seen more product come out of these machines where you get better coats of, you know, the pre-soak, the tri-foam, whatever. Like, it just, like, correct me if I'm wrong. Like, comment down below. Let me know if it's just me. Am I crazy, or does it just seem a little more watered down? I just. Or let me know, was my van too dirty? Like, was it not? Was this like an unfair challenge for these washes? Like, was my van just too dirty to be taken to one of these? Because I'm telling you, I'm not gonna touch the dirt on this truck. I will go. In fact, I have a car wash in mind that I want to that I'd really like to try, and I think I feel confident it'll get this clean, and then that'll be a good test. I want to go back and do the touchless version of that. What the heck was the name of it? The one in Hamilton on Rymal. Shoot, I just did it last 2 weeks ago or whatever. What? Dry and Shine. Thank you. That's it. Shine and Dry, Dry and Shine, whatever. That one. We did the touch version. I want to go back and do the touchless, but I'm leery. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. Should I go back and do that one and see if the touchless will get this clean, or should I try another touch? So I have a soft cloth touch system in mind. I'm not going to tell you which one it is. I can either do that one, or I will go back and I'll do the Dry and Shine touchless version. Let me know in the comments below which one do you want me to do, the Dry and Shine touchless, or I'll do a surprise soft cloth touch system, and that's what I'll do for next weekend's video. So let me know in the comments below. Tell me excuse me, tell me what you think of this one here. I'll be honest, as a whole, I'm disappointed. I can't really recommend either one of them, because I honestly thought, like, I know my van was really dirty, but I honestly thought it would come out clean, especially after this Surfline one, but it didn't, so I don't know. But like I said, let me know if I was giving this an unfair test, if my van was too dirty or not, okay? Anyways, hope you enjoyed this double feature on the weekend. Like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. I'm taking pictures of this and putting it up there for you guys to see. And yeah, take care, everyone, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.